Hello! Very warm welcome everybody on my YouTube channel. My name is Matthews, but you can call me DevOpser, as this channel means in English. In Polish, this is DevOpsiarz. On this YouTube channel, I will be talking mostly about DevOps area from the Linux operating system perspective. That means all stuff regarding why DevOps area. I will present technical tutorials and courses, sometimes my comments about some software and practices. I don't have a plan to cover here DevOps rule from the Windows stack perspective, but keep in mind that such roles exist. So, if you are interested in DevOps, you are working at DevOps role, or maybe you want to learn something about this, I'm encouraging you to subscribe this channel now. This channel is mainly in Polish language, but as you can hear, I will also record in English, and I hope my English will be easy to understand, as I am not a perfect English speaker at all. I will try to record short videos, mostly around 5, 10, maybe up to 15 minutes in the worst case. I prefer such method, as staying focused on very long videos is quite challenging. Regarding topic covered on my channel, this will be mostly based on the DevOps roadmap, which you can find on GitHub. This is a roadmap which you can see on my screen now, by the way. If you are interested in this roadmap, I provided the link in the description down below. From the DevOps perspective, I see no console or vault here. I will also try to record some videos about them. But first, I will record tutorials about Ansible, for which purpose we are using Ansible, how to write playbooks, how to write rules, how to keep the best practices, something like this. Moreover, I will try to take something from the backend roadmap, as I am currently a Go developer. As a Go developer usually is a backend developer. So expect programming Go course soon on this channel. In DevOps role, programming cannot be avoided, so deal with this. Okay, I think that's actually all regarding my channel. Oh, by the way, I will be using the software which show which shortcuts on the keyboard I am currently using, so that will be very easy to you to understand what happens on the screen and what I did on the keyboard, because in some movies people constantly asking about what shortcut was used in special applications, so I will be using the software which will be showing this automatically. Okay, I think that generally that's all. So once again, if you are interested in DevOps, feel free to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.